setTimeout function in JavaScript. What is setTimeout? How to use it? When to use it? How to stop it or how to cancel it? setTimeout is a function that accepts four arguments. The first argument is the callback function. The second argument is the delay, that is a number or an integer, and two other arguments. You can pass the callback function in many ways. You can use arrow function, you can use traditional anonymous function, or you can use external function. For example, this is the arrow function. Console.log hello world. The second argument is for the delay. For example, 2000 millisecond, which is 2 seconds. You can run or execute your JavaScript program using Node.js. Terminal, new terminal, Node, set timeout, and then enter. It waits 2 seconds and then it says hello world. setTimeout function is used to execute a piece of code after a specific amount of time. In this case, 2 seconds. This is an anonymous arrow function. We can convert this to traditional function just using function, brackets and curly braces on your code. Waiting 2 seconds and then the same thing as the arrow function. It can be external function. For example, here we can create, we have to give it an identifier like say hello, and then use this here as the callback function. And this function can be arrow function as well. setTimeout function is used for creating delay or making your program wait for other tasks to finish and then execute a specific piece of code. How to stop a setTimeout function? Well, it returns an integer that you can use to stop it. Let us call it timeout id, clear timeout, timeout id. Because the arrow function is different from traditional function, it has to be before it is used, otherwise you get error.